Quarantine rules will be changing for Chicago Public School students as soon as this weekend. That was just one of the announcements from health and school officials today regarding COVID-19.
WGN's Brona Tumulty at City Hall with the latest. Brona.
Good evening, guys. Right now, more than 6,000 CPS students are under quarantine, which is actually less than 2% of the student population. But in a few days, the rules will change, and anyone potentially exposed to COVID will spend less time in isolation.
When I see the data, it just tells me very clearly, with the science, with the data, our schools are safe.
That's Pedro Martinez, the new CEO of Chicago Public Schools, explaining that the district's quarantine period will soon be reduced from 14 days to 10.
We will be putting this in place starting this Saturday.
That move, we're told, is data-driven. Testing is happening at most schools.
We do know that we have a handful of schools, a little bit over 10, that for different reasons, there was not actual testing going on at those schools.
Since the beginning of the semester, about 1,200 kids have tested positive, which accounts for about 0.3% of the student population. About 3 times as many students are currently in quarantine, but officials say, looking at the numbers, the vast majority of them will likely not develop COVID. Citywide, the numbers are all going in the right direction, with an average of 355 cases per day, down from about 10 times that number last November.
Our positivity continues to decline. We're currently at 2.2% across the city, which is great. That compares to about 16% in November.
The goal right now is to get at least one shot into 77% of Chicagoans 12 and up by the end of the year. But in a matter of weeks, even smaller sleeves could start being rolled up.
Most likely October 26th, the FDA's advisory committee is going to begin considering Pfizer vaccine for 5 to 11-year-olds. I would expect that we may have a vaccine starting to be available for those younger children in early November.
Right now, just shy of 73% of Chicagoans have had at least one dose of the vaccine. Almost 67% of people citywide are fully vaccinated. When it comes to that FDA advisory committee meeting on the 26th, obviously that is the first step in the process. But again, there is the potential there for the Pfizer vaccine to be available for 5 to 11-year-olds in a matter of weeks. Well, I'm at City Hall, Brona Tumulty, WGN News.
Thank you, Brona.